Well, I had a free solution and it worked okay. It had its drawbacks and realized that, you know what, I need something that really is. I'm a sole IT guy for a
Mm,
company of around 100, and I
wow.
really need a tool that is kind of like my tech that would help me manage things and work through projects. So I looked around. We have fully integrated into Teams and OneDrive and Microsoft 365 environment. And I thought, you know what, it'd be great if we could still stay in this environment. With Teams, it's really just instant. They
Hmm.
can chat with me basically to resolve a problem. And also the knowledge base and being able to build that out to help solve problems before they even get to me. Again, being like my tech,
Hmm.
it really is like hiring a separate desktop support person, which is huge. What I thought was good was that everything on its default settings were the way that worked well.
Okay.
Sometimes you get a tool and the default settings are bare bones and you have to go and set every little thing up that you need to, but there was already, default settings in there that worked wonderfully. So that was important. I like using the web portal. I also like seeing it in Teams when I'm, out of the office. If I'm remote, sometimes I'm at an appointment and I just have my cell phone and I can still
Mm,
do what I need to do to help our employees and people stay up and running. So that that integration into all areas of my life is important. Get super excited. I didn't have to do anything and it's already resolved, Sure, from the employee standpoint too, it's like it's easier. I got the help I needed and I didn't have to A, wait or B, talk to somebody or
hmm.
that kind of thing. So simple, simple, simple. I was helped to we went right onto my Teams admin, figured out how to set up the app, customize the image, get all that stuff done. A simple email out to my entire company and said, "Hey, guess what? We have a new tool. Here's how to get to it. Here's how to use it. Here's a short video that I didn't have to create because Ticket already did it for me. Watch this. It's only 5 minutes long." And away we went. And I had no issues getting people to use it.